All right, party people in the place to be. Part two of the Blanco River, and we already got the drone up and popping. So let's go and do this dang on thing. I told you I'd find some water. Now let's get it. Look at the ducks. The Blanco River, people. Get us a little bit lower while we can and see how far we can go and explore this beautiful area before we lose signal. And once again, this is part two of the Blanco River in Blanco, Texas, people. Right outside of Fredericksburg, Texas. We got that, got us some little quack quacks. We gonna just take us a nice little flight on down the river. Nice high quality scenery. On this 17th day of March 2025. Beautiful time, beautiful area. Let's just see how far we can get at this height before the signal gives out. And then we're going to have to pop it on up. Once again, we are the Blanco River. I see that we're starting to lose signal. 1,800 feet out. Got 3 bars now. Up, here we go. Starting to get choppy. Now let's pop it on up. Let's pop it on up. There we go. Back in business. Back in business. Back in business, people. At the bottom. First part that was kind of dried up, people. See what we can do. Can we go down a little bit up? Ah, they don't like that. They don't like that. Not big. Let's pop it on up. Get us a good bird's eye view. Out here with the Air 3S, catching some beautiful scenery. Out here in Blanco, Texas. Might as well use that old 3X. On down the riverside. And we can see those power lines right about yonder. But we well above them. the signal is bouncing in and out. We are about 165 feet up. Hit the low 3X. Enjoying this nice little scenery. Like we up in Arizona or somewhere. Now we in Tejas, baby. The great state of Tejas. Pop it on up in the sector. Look at that 3X. Look at that 3X working. Working for it. We 253 feet up in the air. People, we 253 feet up in the air. Going about 6 miles per hour. In that 3X actually. Just to give you an idea of where we are. This is what it looked like in 1X. About 5,000 feet out. Just enjoying this nice little scenery. Look at that. From up here, from up top. Signal bouncing in and out. Might be about to do a turnaround, people. This is a NEEWER. Before we do that, go on to this right here. This little part right here. Bam. Look at that. Look at that thing. Right there. Back into that one. That's a wrong NEEWER. Bam, turn it on around. We ain't gonna make it look cute or nothing. We just gonna turn it on around, baby. So fly on back home. So 1X mode, but we're gonna pump it in the sports mode. Yeah, we're gonna pump. We don't have no kind of anything we can hit up this high at 256 feet. So yeah, we're gonna hit that old sports mode. Doing it old. What are we doing? 44 miles per hour now, people. We still gonna check out the scenery as we're flying. Just gonna get back a little quicker, that's all. Still checking out this nice scenery. Got us a strong wind message. Yeah. Just gonna check out this scenery from a bird's eye view. Dealing with it before I launched it, but that ain't it. So now we gonna do a return to home. We're gonna update our home point to the controller.
Home point updated.
Home point updated. Let's see where it updated at. Okay. I don't think that's what the controller is, but
return to home.
Let's see if it get it close there. Oh, let's get out of that sports mode and get back to that normal so we can have our
landing.
Bam, and there you go. Another beautiful landing. I don't have to tell y'all. Get out there, fly the drone, have fun. It's your boy, the Drone Dreamer. Till the next episode, people. Peace.